on the ground! Get on the ground!
I just got my license. You think you're my license? I grabbed the license right there. That's my license right there.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Tonight, dash cam video has been released showing a state trooper shooting an unarmed man. Good evening now, and thanks for being with us. I'm J.R. Berry.
And I'm Andrea Mock. Former state trooper Sean Grouper was arrested earlier today and was charged with assault and battery of a high and aggravated nature.
He appeared in court tonight for a bond hearing. News 19 Stephen Dial was there. And Stephen, you got the first look at the dash cam video from the incident, right?
That's right, JR and Andrea. A prosecutor with the Fifth Circuit Solicitor's Office showed the dashcam video in court tonight, playing it for the judge. On the tape, you see the trooper firing several shots at LeVar Jones. Grouper had stopped Jones for a seatbelt violation. Now, we want to play the tape for you tonight, but with a warning. Some of you may find the contents disturbing or graphic. Take a look.
Can I see your license, please? Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
I just got my license. You think you're my license? I grabbed the license right there. That's my license right there.
Put your hands behind your back. 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 Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do, sir?
Are you hit?
I think so. I can't feel my leg. I don't know what happened. I just grabbed my leg.
Brakes on 86690 at 1052.
Why did you shoot me?
Well, you dove head first back into your car.
I'm sorry.
Then you jumped back out. I'm telling you, get out of your car.
I'm sorry. I didn't hear 2 words.
After seeing this tape tonight, the judge set Grouper's bond at $75,000 on charges of assault and battery of a high and aggravated nature. His attorney is former Fifth Circuit Solicitor Barney Gazay. He says his client is not guilty and is looking forward to his day in court. The charges against Grouper that he's facing are a felony charge. If convicted, he could get 20 years in prison. JR.
All right, Stephen, thank you so much. We want to take a moment now to look at the timeline surrounding this case. It's been 20 days from the day of the incident to today's arrest. Back on September 4th, Grouper pulls over a car driven by LeVar Jones for a seatbelt violation at the Circle K gas station at Broad River Road. During that stop, Grouper eventually fires multiple shots at Jones, who was hit once. In the days that followed, News 19 made repeated attempts to get details on exactly what happened. Nearly 2 weeks later, on September 17th, we learned the case had been handed over to the Fifth Circuit Solicitor's Office. Grouper's case file was also released that showed 5 previous complaints were brought against the former trooper. Last Friday, September 19th, the State Public Safety Department announced they fired Grouper. The department's director, Leroy Smith, called the facts of the case disturbing. And today, September 24th, Grouper was arrested and charged with assault and battery of a high and aggravated nature. Tonight, the dash cam video was played in court and bond for Grouper was set at $75,000.
Well, again, we just got our hands on this video not too long ago into the newsroom, so we are still reviewing it. And with that being said, we wanted to see the events as they unfolded one more time in that video. After firing Grouper, as JR just said, the Department of Public Safety Director Leroy Smith called this video disturbing.
Can I see your license, please? Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
I just got my license. You think you're my license? I grabbed the license right there. That's my license right there.
Put your hands behind your back. 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 Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do, sir?
Are you hit?
I think so. I can't feel my leg. I don't know what happened. I just grabbed my leg.
Brakes on 86690 at 1052.
Why did you shoot me?
Well, you dove head first back into your car.
I'm sorry.
Then you jumped back out. I'm telling you, get out of your car.
I'm sorry. I didn't hear 2 words.
The beginning of that tape, you see them, both of them, including LeVar Jones, they almost pull into the gas station at the same time, JR. You see LeVar Jones get out of his car and go walking in, and that's when he's confronted by the trooper.
You know, we posted this video on our Facebook page tonight, and it's remarkable. We posted it about an hour or so ago. The video is so disturbing, and people have such interest in this case. This video has been shared now nearly 1,400 times in a little more than an hour. People have been wanting answers to what happened here, and tonight we're getting our first look at this tape.
You know, it's our job, of course, to give you the information. We don't know what we're going to see on these tapes before we get them, but you have to, just as an onlooker, the amount of time that Grouper gives LeVar Jones from the time he says, "Let me have your license," to get out of the car and starts shooting is a mere matter of seconds. I mean, the amount of time that transpires, obviously you have to guess that perhaps the trooper thought he was going for a weapon, but he tells him to get his license. The man goes in the car to try to get his license, and he gets shot. Well,
the public safety director calls it disturbing, but Groupert's attorney says his client is not guilty after we saw the video, so it'll be interesting to see how this plays out.
I have to say, after this, the good news is, while LeVar Jones was shot, he was shot in the hip. As the video goes on, you hear him talking about the pain. I think he was in shock, didn't realize he had been shot, and then the pain set in. He is okay. He survived the shooting. That's the good news about this. But the video, really, I don't know what else we can say other than it speaks for itself.
Sure.
We've got it posted. If you'd like to look at it, you can go. We've also got it posted at WLTX on Facebook if you'd like to share the video as well.